Hello everyone. So in our previous video, I have discussed about computer vision. So today we are going to understand two important images, that is image formats used in image processing. One is grayscale and another image is binary images. Have you ever noticed that computers often convert colorful images into black and white or grayscale versions before processing them? The reason is simple. These image formats reduce the amount of data, making image processing faster and more efficient. As shown in this slide, these image formats are widely used in face recognition, QR code scanning, fingerprint authentication, and medical imaging. So by end of this video, you will clearly understand what grayscale and binary images are and how they are differ and where they are used. Next one, what is a grayscale image? So let's first understand the grayscale image. A grayscale image contains only different shades of gray. Unlike color image, it does not contain red, green or blue color information. There is no color information here. It contains only gray shade of images. Each pixel has an intensity value ranging from 0 to 255. As shown in the image, 0 represents black color, then 255 represents white, and all the values in between, it represents the different shades of gray. Because a grayscale image stores only one intensity value for each pixel, it requires less memory than color image. It is also processed much faster, which is why many computer vision applications first convert a color image into grayscale image before performing further analysis. So this makes grayscale image ideal for feature extraction and image enhancement. Next, what is a binary image? Now let's move to binary image. The binary image is simpler than grayscale image. So it contains only two possible value, that is two possible pixel value. One is black, another one is white. Here black is represented by 0, white is represented by 1 or sometimes 255. So depending upon the system, white is either 1 or 255. Binary images are created from grayscale images using a technique called thresholding. So we can discuss later what is meant by thresholding, where we are using, that we will discuss in later. So for example, if we choose a threshold value of 120, all pixel values below 120 become black and values equal to or above 120 become white. So this process removes unnecessary details and highlights only the important objects in the image. So binary images are commonly used in OCR systems, QR code readers, fingerprint scanners, and industrial inspections. So next we are going to discuss some of the basic difference between grayscale and binary scale images. The first difference is number of pixel values. The grayscale image contains 255 intensity levels, that is 0 to 255. But in case of binary image, it contains only two levels, either black and white. Since grayscale images preserve different brightness levels, they contain more visual information and provide better image quality. But in case of binary image, it removes unnecessary information, making them much simpler and faster to process. Grayscale images requires slightly more memory than binary images. So these are some basic difference. In computer vision, the grayscale images are generally used for image enhancement and feature extraction, while binary images are mainly used for object detection, pattern recognition, and text recognition. So although both the image types are useful, they are designed for different purpose. Next, let's look at where these image formats are used in real life. The grayscale images are widely used in medical imaging, where doctors analyze X-rays, MRI scans, and CT scans because different shades of gray provide more detailed information. They, they are also used in face recognition systems, CCTV surveillance, and image enhancement techniques. But in binary images are mainly used in applications where the system only needs to identify objects or patterns. For example, barcode scanners and QR code readers use binary images to quickly recognize the codes. The OCR software converts scanned documents into editable text using binary images. Fingerprint scanners and industrial inspection system also use as binary images because they make object detection faster and more accurate. So these applications shows why both images formats are important in computer vision. So let's summarize the today's topic. A grayscale image contains 256 intensity levels, that is 0 to 255, ranging from black to white. A binary image contains only 2 pixels, black and white. Usually a color image is first converted into grayscale, then into binary image whenever the object detection or pattern recognition is required. So understanding these image formats is the first step toward learning advanced topic in image processing and computer vision. So I hope this video helped you understand the difference between grayscale and binary images. So thank you for watching.